Welcome to the course that is going to change your future, Grant Writing for Beginners. I'm the course tutor, Professor James Smith, and I've personally been awarded over $3.5 million in grant funding in my career, spanning 24 years. Together with my undergraduate and postgraduate degrees, I also hold a teaching qualification, and this means that the courses that you take will be easily understandable and the learning outcomes will be targeted towards your success. I have personally coached early career academic grant writers to secure major government funding awards in both the UK and the USA. Why should I be taught with you? Well, my courses on Udemy draw upon substantial experience as being part of grant funding panels. I actually sit on and chair 6 scientific, government and charitable funding panels, and I review grant applications for about 26 different funders. The question is, why would you want to learn grant writing from someone other than a grant panel member who actually has experience of reviewing and judging grant applications? This course will give you a great understanding of how to start writing effective grant applications, how you tailor a grant application to a funder to increase chances of success, as well as providing you with a strategy and a formula for how to approach the different sections of a grant application. At the end of the course, you will have the confidence and the ability and be able to take on any grant application, and you will have a good understanding of what information needs to go in which section of the grant. And all of these things translate to more positive grant outcomes. In part 1 of the course, you'll learn about making sure that your funding application aligns to funder priorities, and you'll be able to boost your grant application with data, preliminary findings, and impact. In part 2 of the course, we'll cover each section of a grant application and understand what information goes into each section, and we'll give you easy to follow formulas in this respect. In part 3, we'll cover what the grant reviewers in the panel will actually be looking for in a successful grant application. Is this course the one for you? Well, it's been designed for people who want to learn to write successful grants and are at the first step in their grant writing journey. They might be academics, lecturers, or assistant professors who want to secure grant funding but are just starting out. You could be a grant writer for a 501c3, a non-profit, or a small or medium-sized enterprise, or you could be a student who wants to learn about what a grant funder actually does and how the decision panel makes decisions on the different grants that they view. This course is currently open for enrolment. I would suggest that you take a look at the course description, understand the course content, and make sure that your reasons for taking this course align with what the course will deliver. We look forward to seeing you really soon.